Hey guys, XRP holder, it's a really great news for all XRP holder because after a very long time XRP will wake up and take a very huge jump. So I'm so excited to see this. But congratulations all of you, my brother, because not just unique only XRP, all cryptocurrencies is wake up. So I'm so happy to see this, especially from last 24 hours the Cardano XRP changed, my friend, the chart and absolutely the changes. So I'm so happy to see this, my friend, from last 24 hours, because my brother, from last 1 month this coin is completely fails down, and everybody tell me to what we do, we are losing completely. So tell us what we do, sell, hold or buy. So therefore, if you check out my previous video, so I will tell you in every video to hold it, don't sell it, otherwise you lost. So today, if you have already sell it, so today you are in the loss. But if you are a holder and today, so exactly, my friend, they will wake up and they will moving day by day, minute by minute, and they will give you a good profit. Just and only at the end, I hope, my friends, they will give you to my friends $1 USD. So it's possible today will take a jump, but if holders are hold it, so hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching XRP holder. My prediction is going to be positive now, my opinion is going to be positive now, and absolutely this is good news for all of you to XRP will wake up. My opinion is please hold, and my prediction is the future is bright. In upcoming time they will move up for now. Please share your opinion in a comment box, and please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this stuff informative videos.